Good morning students. How are you? Today we will do addition of money. What will we do today? Addition of money. Addition of money is same as simple addition sums. It means that when we add 2 or 3 numbers and we get answer in a double digit, then the carryover is shifted to the next box. Is it clear, beta? Now the first sum is add rupees 523 and 75 paise to 207 rupees and 35 paise. Now add these two numbers. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is a double digit number, so write down 0 here and 1 in the box as a carryover. Now 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Now write down 1 here, and where will the next one go? It will go to this box. Clear, beta? Carryover of this will go to this box under rupees. Now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. Again 1 is here and 1 is a carryover. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. Now no carryover is there, put a cross in the box. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now what will be the answer? Rupees 731. Put dot in place of paise and then write down 10. So we get the answer rupees 731.10. Is it clear, beta? 5 plus 5, 10. 0 we will write down here and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 we will write down here and its second digit will go to the next box as a carryover. Clear, beta? Now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. Again 1 here, 1 as a carryover, 1 plus 2 is 3. No carryover is there, put a cross in the box. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer we get is rupees 731.10. Symbol of rupees always written before the number. Clear, beta? Symbol of rupee is always written before the number. And we put dot in place of paise and it is called point. Is it clear, beta? Now second sum is 345 rupees and 75 paise, 465 rupees, 95 paise. Now add these two numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Clear, beta? Again 1 will be written here under rupees. We will not write 1 here. This is wrong. We will not write 1 here. Along with this 7, we will shift 1 to the next box as a carryover. Is it clear, beta? Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, again 11. Again 1 is carryover. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Now what will be the answer? Rupees 811.70. Clear beta? Now third sum is 318 rupees 25 paise, 288 rupees 75 paise and 232 rupees 50 paise. Now three numbers are there. Again the method is same. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 will be written here. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Again 1 is carryover. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now what will be the answer? Rupees 839.50. Is it clear beta? Addition of money is same as simple addition sums. Clear बच्चे? Now we will do subtraction of money. बच्चे subtraction of money is again same as simple subtraction sums. Same rules are to be followed. When upper digit is greater than the lower digit, then there is no need to borrow. When upper digit is smaller than the lower digit, only then the digit borrow from the next digit. And when upper and lower both digits are same, then again there is no need to borrow. Is it clear beta? Now first sum is subtract rupees 49.40 from rupees 85.25. Now see beta, this 5 is greater. Upper digit is 5, lower digit is 0. This 5 is greater. So there is no need to borrow, put a cross in the box. There is no need to borrow, put a cross in the box. And 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now next is 2. Now this 2 is smaller. Now what will this 2 do? This 2 will borrow 1 from 5. Clear beta? This 2 will borrow 1 from 5. Now it will become 12. It has borrowed 1 from 5. It has become 12. This 5 has given 1, so it will become 4. Clear beta? Now this 4 will borrow 1 from 8 because this 4 is smaller. This will borrow 1 from 8. This 8 will become 7. Clear beta? Now 12 minus 4 is 8. 14 minus 9 is 5. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Clear बच्चे? What will be the answer? Answer is rupees 35.85. Clear beta? 5 minus 0 is 5. 12 minus 4 is 8. 14 minus 9 is 5 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Is it clear बच्चे? Now next sum is subtract rupees 299.95 from rupees 500 only. Clear? Now beta, this 0 is smaller. This 0 will borrow from this. This 0 doesn't have any number. It will borrow from next. This will borrow from next. And this 0 will borrow from 5. Clear beta? This 5 will give 1 to this 0. This will become 10. And this 5 will become 4. Now this 10 will give 1 to this 0. This 0 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give 1 to this 0. This will again become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give 1 to first 0. This will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Clear beta? Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. Again 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear beta? This 0 will become 10 and rest of 3 zeros will become 9. Clear beta? So answer we get is rupees 200.05. Is it clear beta? That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.